Easy chocolate microwave fudge. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Add any flavourings or toppings you like. Even add in some Bailey's Irish cream, that is so good. Begin by greasing your tin or mould. I use Frylight spray in my cooking and baking. Just make sure the mould isn't over greased. Here with these tins I have greased and then applied some cling film, also known as plastic wrap. Here I am making a divider from a little bit of leftover card. This will divide my flavours of fudge and also help straighten it too. Begin by melting your broken chocolate in the microwave in 30-second bursts, and in between each 30 seconds mix well. Do not microwave for more than 30 seconds at one time as you will burn your chocolate. Repeat until all melted, runny and smooth. Then add in your small cubed pieces of butter and mix until melted. Then add in your sweetened condensed milk. Mix well before popping in the microwave for 30 seconds. Mix the chocolate mixture really well, almost beating it, before you pop back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. You will repeat this process and you will notice the mixture becoming thicker and thicker after every 30-second burst. Make sure you beat the chocolate really well in between each burst. The look of the mixture will also begin to change considerably, and as you can see here by the steam, becoming extremely hot. You can check with a thermometer if you like, temperature details in the description box below, but you can also tell by how it looks. No longer smooth and a chunky consistency. The chocolate fudge is finally complete after folding in sieved powdered sugar. I am now dividing it up into small bowls for 3 flavours, but watch how it moves in the bowl. For using the love heart mould, I pressed it into each heart shape and then smoothed it off with a knife. I recommend then placing your sprinkles on top of the fudge and not below, as this doesn't work out quite as well. For the rest of the fudge I used some orange extract and some Bailey's Irish cream. Simply add in your flavouring and mix in really well. If the mixture does seem a little too sticky and wet, you can add in a tiny amount of powdered sugar. And of course have a little taste test as you go, as you may prefer some more flavouring. Then add in some chopped nuts and dry cranberries if you like. They were lovely in with the Bailey's Irish cream. And the Bailey's ones have a nice softer set to them. Then simply spoon your chocolate fudge into your prepared tins. Wearing some glove here really helped out the process because you can smooth it down, and that little cardboard piece was very handy for straightening the ends and smoothing the top. Then add in some more nuts or chopped cookies to the top of your fudge, as seen here, before popping in the fridge for at least 3 hours to set. Here are the heart-shaped fudge pieces that were easy to slip out of the silicone mould. Then all that remains is for the fudge that was made in the tins to be chopped into whatever size pieces you like. Store in the fridge or somewhere cold, and these will last for weeks. These are perfect fudge pieces to gift for Valentines, for Christmas, for Easter, for parties, whenever you like. Simply decorate with themed sprinkles or add some yummy Bailey's Irish cream. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy baking, bakers!